Hey there, fellow professionals. Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on valuable career tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to advance their career: leveraging LinkedIn. 7 ways to attract job opportunities. Stay tuned for some amazing insights to boost your LinkedIn game and stand out to potential employers. Here at the Recruiter Talk, we have successfully utilized LinkedIn to land multiple job opportunities and build a strong professional network. Now, we are thrilled to share these proven strategies with you. Let's get right into it. The first step to attracting job opportunities on LinkedIn is to optimize your profile. Your LinkedIn profile serves as your digital resume, so make it shine. Use a professional headshot, craft a compelling headline, and write a keyword-rich summary that showcases your skills, achievements, and career goals. Don't forget to customize your URL to make it easier for others to find you. Networking is the heart of LinkedIn. Connect with colleagues, friends, alumni, and industry professionals. But remember, it's not just about quantity. Focus on quality connections too. Engage with your network by commenting on posts, sharing valuable content, and congratulating them on their achievements. A strong network increases your visibility and opens doors to potential job opportunities. Position yourself as an industry expert by sharing insightful articles, thought leadership pieces, and engaging posts on relevant topics. Join LinkedIn groups related to your field, participate in discussions, and offer your expertise to demonstrate your knowledge and passion. The more value you add, the more you'll be noticed by recruiters and employers. Visual content is a powerful tool to attract attention on LinkedIn. Consider creating videos, infographics, or slideshows to showcase your projects, skills, and accomplishments. Visual content stands out in the feed and helps others understand your potential. Just remember to keep it professional and relevant to your industry. Nothing speaks louder about your abilities than recommendations and endorsements from colleagues, supervisors, and clients. Reach out to people you've worked with and kindly ask for their support. Positive testimonials add credibility to your profile and can significantly boost your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. Follow and engage with companies you're interested in working for. Stay updated with their latest news and job openings. Interact with their posts and show genuine interest in their activities. By engaging with them, you'll demonstrate your enthusiasm and dedication to potentially becoming a part of their team. LinkedIn offers a dedicated job search feature, LinkedIn Jobs. Customize your job preferences, set alerts, and apply directly through the platform. Additionally, take advantage of LinkedIn's career services, which can provide valuable insights, courses, and interview preparation tips to enhance your job-seeking journey. And that's a wrap on our 7 strategies to attract job opportunities using LinkedIn. Remember, success on LinkedIn is all about consistency and authenticity. By implementing these tips, you'll be one step closer to landing your dream job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to share your LinkedIn success stories, leave a comment below. And as always, make sure to subscribe to the Recruiter Talk for more career-boosting content. Until next time, stay connected and keep striving for greatness. See you soon.